welcome to my channel. On request, I am uploading this question answer of chapter 4, Father's Help, class 8. So the first question is, how did Swami's father react when Swami told him that he was not going to school, and how different was his reaction from that of Swami's mother? Swami's father reacted at him and remarked that Swami should not remain idle on Sunday if he wants to get up without headache on Monday. He angrily instructed Swami to get ready for the school without any delay. His reaction was entirely different from his mother, as he dealt with Swami strictly, but his mother listened to his excuses calmly and permitted him to stay at home. According to Swami's father, his mother mollycoddled him. Mollycoddle means to take care of the child very softly. Now question number 2, father's behavior took an unexpected turn. What was unexpected about Swami's father's behavior? Swami gave a false and exaggerated statement about the harsh behavior of teacher Samuel, that how hard he is on his students, even on smaller mistakes. He also said that teacher twisted his ear some day back and the pain can be still felt. Swami's father melted down and his anger triggered towards the teacher, and consequently he wrote a complaint letter to the principal seeking probe and solution on the matter. The third question is, why didn't Swami hand over the complaint letter to the headmaster in the morning? Swami did not hand over the complaint letter to the headmaster in the morning because his guilt has made him not to do so. Instead, he kept instigating teacher Samuel to give him some sort of punishment, and then his work would be justified. Question number 4. Could Swami deliver the complaint letter to the headmaster even after the school? Why not? No, Swami couldn't deliver the complaint letter to the headmaster after the school because the headmaster had taken the afternoon off and was on leave for a week. Now comes Hots. Swami went to the school feeling that he was the worst perjurer on earth. Perjurer means the one who speaks lie. So describe Swami's feeling on this point. Swami happened to be a fun-loving boy who wants to skip schools and studies either to take rest at home or to play with his friends. So that morning when father asked him to go to school, he quickly knitted stories and told to his father. He never had an impression that things will turn to this shape where he has brought his teacher Mr. Samuel under bars of great suspicions. When father handed him over the complaint letter, he was thinking that he shouldn't have spoken lie. He was a fun-loving boy but wasn't cranky or huckster. This all out of him under great pressure. This all put him, this is put, kindly correct, this is put. This is the typing error. So he was thinking that he was the worst perjurer because his lies made his father write a strict complaint letter to the principal. Now comes the life skill, that what impression have you formed of Swami's relation with his father? Go through it line by line properly. Now values. So I think you all are able to read it out. There are 2 diary entries, one from Swami and another from. This part I have taken from the Google, rest all I have done on my own. So thanks for watching. Thank you, everyone.